Good morning. This week you are going to be doing some figurative language work, and you're going to be using Brain Pop to learn about the type of figurative language, and then you're going to use that information to help you um, do some exploring of figurative language. So the first thing you're going to do each day is watch the Brain Pop over the type of figurative language for that day. So today we're going to start with similes and metaphors. So you're going to click and go to the Brain Pop, and you'll probably want to take some notes on what a simile is, some examples of similes that they give you in the Brain Pop, what is a metaphor, some examples of metaphors that they use, because that will make it a lot easier today when you're doing your work. You can also look through these pieces of information, the vocabulary part, that might help you to understand what a simile is, what a metaphor is. So feel free to always kind of look through over here, do the quizzes to help you. After you do the Brain Pop, then you are going to click on this figurative language quilt. And today you're focusing on just similes and metaphors. So click on it. It should bring you to this figurative language quilt right here. You are going to want to open it with Google Slides. So it'll probably have you log in. So go ahead and get logged in using your email address. Rename it so that it has your name, so that when you share it with me at the end of this, I'll know whose it is. Okay, so each day you're just going to be doing one or two, so you're not going to do it all today. So what you do, if you want to make it bigger, Command plus is what I'm doing. Somehow make, oh, other way, Command minus. So here it says simile. You can add a picture from Google Slides, or you can leave it blank, but I want you to put your simile here. So I want an example of a simile. So if you want to go and Google pictures of simile examples, you could do that. If you want to write me an example of a simile, of what a simile is, you'll do it here. Okay. So picture, if you would like. If you're not going to do the picture, I want you to at least give me an example of what a simile is, okay? And if you've forgotten already, go back, listen to that Brain Pop, and that will help you as well. Okay, so you're going to do this each day. You're going to do a different one. So save this, come back to the video if you need to, watch the Brain Pop over and over again, do a little research on your own using the internet if you need to,